Hello and welcome to today's technology training. My name is Jessica. I am the technology instructor at the Wando Mount Pleasant branch. Today we're going to be talking about creating and formatting lists in Microsoft Word. So we'll look at the ways we can create bulleted or numbered lists. We'll also look at using Format Painter. For instance, if we wanted to copy some information from another document and have it match the same format of the document that we had already started working on and making a list in, we can use what's called Format Painter, a tool in Microsoft Word, and have those two things be the same format by using that tool. The first thing I'm going to do is go into the Start menu in the bottom left corner. I'll find Microsoft Word, click on that to open it up. Once Word is open, we're going to go into a new blank document. And we're ready to start our list. Today we'll practice with a grocery list, so I will start that off with a title here. I'll press enter and I'm ready to start the list, so I want those bullets to come in now. You'll see in the ribbon the bullet icon is separated into two different parts. The left hand side of that icon gives you the default bullet type, and the right hand side, which is a down arrow, if you click on it you'll see different formats of bullets that you could choose. I'll click on the left hand side and then we'll start typing our list out. I can copy and paste items if I had them typed in a different document, which I've got some on another document here. So I will click and drag to select all those, right click and copy. I'll come back to the original document, right click on that line, and there are different paste options here. So some of those are not going to give you the bullets, and then some, such as merge formatting or keep text only, are going to put you into that bulleted format. Let's do keep source formatting, and then we'll see how we can put those into bullet format if they're not already in that format. So to get these 4 items into the bulleted list, I'm just going to click and drag over one of the bulleted items. Come up to Format Painter in the ribbon, click on Format Painter. The icon becomes gray so that I know it's ready to select the items that I want to change. So I'll come down here, click and drag over those 4 items that we want to change, and then they become part of the list. We've got an extra bullet down here, so if I wanted to get that to go away, I could turn the list off. So the bullets icon works as an on-off toggle. I could click the left-hand side and that would turn the bullets off. So then we get rid of that one. If I wanted to add some more things to the list, I could click that icon again and then it would go back into that same format. If you want to, you can add different levels to the list. For instance, if I want to specify what types of juice we're going to buy, I can come to the end of the juice line, press enter, and the tab key, we'll press that one time. That's going to get us to a different level of bullets there. So I'm going to type in a couple different types of juice. I can keep those indented like that. If I changed my mind and wanted to not have those indented, all I would have to do is click and drag to select them, hold down the shift key, and press that tab key one more time. And those would come out to be part of the regular list. I'm going to undo just to get those back into the indented mode. I can still go to a different bullet type. So to do that, I'm going to click and drag over the entire list here. Come up to the bullets icon, this time the right side, that down arrow. Click on that, and then I can choose any of these other bullet types. So I'm going to choose this one here. You'll see it does not change the indented bullets there, just the first original bullets that we had. The numbers icon up here right beside the bullets icon works the same way. It does have that left and that right part. So the default for the numbering icon is just the 1, 2, 3, and you'll see it did change those indented items into A, B. The down arrow for numbers gives you the opportunity to change it to, for instance, Roman numerals or ABC if you wanted to do either one of those different kinds. So we'll do Roman numerals. And again, it does not change the indented part of that list. It still stays AB like it was before. Just to practice one more time with the Format Painter, I'm going to click and drag over one of our list items, click on Format Painter again, and this time I'm going to select our 2 indented items, and then that will make them part of the main list. Still got that extra bullet down here, so I can click on that line, click on the icon that toggles the list on and off to get rid of that. Now we have our list and we are ready to go. Okay, just to quickly review, today we went over creating a bulleted list. We saw how we could change the bullet format to a different bullet type. We looked at changing that into a numbered list instead, and also changing the number style. We looked at how we can create different levels to those lists by indenting, tabbing over to get a different level to the list. We looked at Format Painter to get text to be the same format as the selected text. So this is something that you can use to organize your to-do list and things like that. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you for watching.